Well, it made me very sad because I didn't want that to happen. I don't think anybody wanted it to happen. And one night I just went to sleep and then I woke up and they said no more children's programs. So I thought that was really sad, because if they did care about children, then they wouldn't take off the programs. Now they say that they're going to make lots of other people to make the programs, and I'm sure they're going to do a very good job. But it's not going to be the same when there's no RTE Junior. I think that they should ask everybody what they think, because doesn't everybody pay to have children's television? It's just having children's television and adults television and sports on the television and all the talking they do on the television. Why didn't they get rid of some of that stuff? They just had, I think they just had a big, they were playing pin the tail on the donkey, and then they just pinned the tail in and they went bang, children's programs gone. Do you think that's what they did? Do you know, I actually tweeted Enda Kenny TD, Mr. Boss, last night, and you know what? He never tweeted me back. I wanted to ask him what was he going to do about it and to talk to them about making bad decisions, but he didn't tweet me back. But I tweeted the Rubber Bandits and they tweeted me back and they said they'll help save children's telly.